One and all present here, I extend my warm and respectful morning to getting our estimate chairman sir, dedicating principal ma'am, our genius teachers, staff members of Trent Academy, and my schoolmates. I am Harshita Kalakuti from class 6. It is my privilege to lead this morning assembly. Class attention, stand please. Attention, stand please. Attention. Let us chant Gayatri Mantra to fill our hearts with wisdom and positive energy. I request you all, please join your hands, close your eyes.
Now start. ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं भरते कामरूपिणी विशन्ते विशालाक्षी विद्याम्बे सरस्वती गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
To fill our hearts with seek and almighty blessings, I invite my classmates for prayer. creativity. Creativity, great thinking. Thinking give you knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. With this motivational thought by my inspired APJ Abdul Kalam, a very auspicious and energetic morning to our eminent chairman sir, dynamic principal ma'am, all hardworking and charmed teachers, and my all dear friends. I am Kanika Kitwal from class 6, standing here for the thought. My thought is like that. If you are failed in first, so never give up, because the means of fail is first attempt of learning. I repeat my thought once again. If you are failed, so never give up, because the means of fail is first attempt in learning. It means end is not end, because the means of end is effort never dies. If you have nothing as an answer, so always remember that no, it means no means is next opportunity. I translate my thought in Hindi. अगर आप असफल होते हैं तो कभी हार ना मानें, क्योंकि असफल होने का मतलब ही पहला प्रयास होता है. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Touch of rhythm and creativity. I invite my junior Myra for her bright poem.
Good morning. My name is Maya Katra from class 8. Today my Hindi poem. देखो मम्मी मेरा बस कर दी मेरी हालत खस, इसे उठा कर चलना मुश्किल, सभी किताबें पढ़ना मुश्किल, कोई टीचर को समझाए इसको कुछ हल्का. My name is English. One little flower, one little bee, one little bluebird high in the tree, one little brown bear smile at me. Thank you, have a nice day.
So I invite my senior for news.
Chairman sir, respected principal ma'am, all the hardworking teachers of Planet Academy, and my dear friends. This is me, Mayank Kitwal, on behalf of class 9, standing here to represent the news. And my first news is from international. Tension is increasing between USA and Iran over peace talking and my next news is from national. India tested a new emergency warning for disaster. And my next news is from sports. Vinay currently remains for before the next remain. And my next news is from temperature. Today the maximum temperature of Bageshwar is 29 degrees Celsius and minimum is 12 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy and nice day.
And no knowledgeable words. I invite my senior for art.
यदा कमपि न स्यात्तः तदा धैर्य धारय, यदा सर्व स्यात्तः तदा आदर करो. अर्थात श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं कि जब कुछ ना हो तो सब्र करो और जब सब कुछ हो तो कद्र करो. With this true and wonderful lines, a very auspicious and charmed good morning to one and all present over here, Honorable Chairman Sir, Admirable Principal Ma'am, and all the hardworking and dedicated staff members of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. This is me, Pia Negi, standing before you all to represent my article. And my article topic is about life. What is life? Life is a journey which we all experience in our unique ways. Life is unpredictable, sometimes challenging but very precious. It's about living, it's about waking up each day and experiencing the world around us. It's about feeling the warmth of sun, hearing the laughter of loved ones, and tasting the sweetness of our favorite meal. These simple moments remind us that how beautiful a life can be. But life is not always easy. We all have to face challenges or obstacles in our life. So today I am standing here to talk about 5 things which are most important for our life or for student life. So first is about confidence. As you all know that confidence plays a very vital role in our life. For an example, you are a very topper student of your school and always scoring above 95% or scoring 100%. But if you are not confident towards giving your opinions or towards giving your answer, so it is useless of making 95% or gaining 95% in your school. So make the confidence or be confident in your life. And second thing is about patience. As you all know that patience is very important in our life. Patience is the art of silent strength. It is the art of waiting calmly. If I can change perspective towards life, just imagine you are going from a forest. There suddenly a caterpillar comes in front of you, then what you will feel? You will feel something strange or creep. But when a butterfly comes in front of you, then what you will feel? You will feel very happy. Why? The butterfly is formed from a caterpillar only. Even it took time, but it became what he wanted to be. So by keeping the patience, we know that why, because of right time, right patience and condition. If you will keep patience, so probably the fruit of your patience will be sweet to you only. And next thing is about failure. Remember that failure is not your enemy; it's your coach. It forces you to wake up. It forces you to take right path. Use it as a ladder and keep failure to near, not keep failure to your near. Keep it to your mind. And fourth thing is about dreams. It's easy to dream, but achieving requires a night of sleep. People only see the results, not the story of struggle. Behind every victory lies 1,000 defeats. Sometimes you're tired, sometimes you even doubt yourself. But remember that if you will stop, so what will happen to your efforts? Think that the road is certainly long, but the destination is mine. Don't make noise anymore, just work hard. Because dreams come true only for those who just even don't stop after falling. And my last topic is about success. As you all know, if I talk about success in simple words, so there is no festival bigger than success. The day you achieve it, so every day becomes a celebration for you. So, for achieving the success, you all have to do hard work, and not people will not see your struggle; they only will see your results. Because life is like a book. If there are some chapters are sad, some are happy, and some are exciting. But if you will never turn the page, so you will never know that what the next chapter is about. So at last, I would like to ask you one question that, from your opinion or from according to you, what do you think, which is the most easy or most difficult thing in your life? What do you think? About myself or from my opinion, I think mistakes are the most easy or most difficult thing in your life. Why? It's easy to judge but when others do, but it's difficult to realize when we do it. So in this series, once George Orwell said, I feel very happy. You know why? Because I don't expect anything from anyone, because expectations always hurt. So be confident in your life, keep patience, and the success will already be yours. Thank you, have auspicious.
I invite to check our I invite Anushka for execution. Success with this two lines, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the worthy staff of Grand Academy and my dear friends. First of all, very charming and auspicious good morning to all of you. This is me, Arushi Ketwal, behalf of Class 6, standing here to ask you some tricky questions on the topic of the Indian Defence System. And my first question is, when we celebrated National Defence Day? No, your answer is wrong. The correct others. No, your answer is wrong. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 3rd March. And my second question is, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Force? Who is President of India? And my third question is, when we celebrated Kargil Vijay Divas? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 26 July. And my next question is, when was Bangladesh formed? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 1971. Next question is, where is the headquarters of Integrated Defence Staff? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is New Delhi. And my next question is, who was appointed for Air Staff in 2024? The correct answer is Amarpreet Singh. And my next question is, when we celebrated Navy Day? 4th December. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 4th December. Who is the present chief in defense staff? Anil Chauhan. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Anil Chauhan. And my next question is, when we celebrated Army Day? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 15th January. Thank you. Have a auspicious day.
लहजे भी तक नहीं है, एक लाइन कितना है